Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video in my 2 indicator series, just like other videos. Before we start, I would request you to read the disclaimer on the screen and in the description below and know that all content over here is for the sake of education. With that said, let's proceed. So the indicators that we'll be using today are only 2 indicators. The first indicator is called Best Cloud All MA. Let me show you the name of the indicator. It is Best Cloud All MA. The author is Davet, and I'll leave the name of the author for both the indicators and the indicator name in the comment section below and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding it. On this particular indicator, when we set it to default, it shows up like this. We'll be using everything in the default settings. The only thing that we will be unticking is this up, buy and sell arrows. We don't need that at this point of time, even though I think they are accurate, but not at this point of time. I'll tell you the reason later. All right. And we'll untick this at the bottom also. We don't need that. With that, we are done. We'll probably save this as default so that every time we use this indicator, it'll come up like that. At the bottom, we are using an indicator called Quantitative Qualitative Estimation, QQE, by Kevin Osblick. All right. On this, we have made absolutely no setting changes. If you reset settings, it is exactly the same. Though at times I'm tempted to make this green a little darker. Let me do that. By default, it comes at 10%. I can make that 30% so that it's a little more visible. And this also, the red color also, I'll make it 30%. Any other change do I want? I can get rid of these also. I don't need these two at the bottom. And yeah, with that, I'm probably done for this also. I'll save this as default. And I'm done. All right, so as you can see right now, I'm on the Fin Nifty chart. I'll go switch over to the spot chart of Nifty, and this is how things look. In my view, this indicator is very simple on top. If this cloud is green, it is moving between 2 moving averages, and if it's green, that means things are bullish, and if it's red, I'll give you an example. See red over here. Things are bearish. All right. So the cloud will show you whether things are bullish or bearish. It works great actually on the 1 hour time frame. But because I trade generally on the 5-minute time frame, I'm using it on the 5-minute time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I can even go ahead and click this show me arrows. Anyways, let's forget that for now. But I know that this indicator works very well in the 1 hour time frame. You can see over here at the bottom, buy. It was a perfect buy signal. Sell signals are near perfect. So I prefer using this indicator on the 1 hour time frame. But for day trading, I'm generally on the 5-minute time frame. So I'll illustrate this on 5 minutes also. It works on 5 minutes also. But 1 hour time frame is for people who are a little more relaxed, and they take trades for higher numbers, and their trades are a little longer than how intraday traders trade. So we will illustrate this on 5 minutes, but I would like to mention that it works great on the 1 hour time frame also. So very simple strategy over here. We'll be taking trades. We have got a rough guidance looking at this cloud. More or less the data is bullish, but we'll take our trades based on the buy and sell signals at the bottom. So let's look at today. Today it first gave a sell signal on Nifty, which is not a bad signal. As you can see, Nifty falls over here. Then it gave a buy signal. It's a very good buy signal. Nifty goes up from here, and then it caught the downfall in the first candle itself. Very good sell signal. This one signal was enough for the day. You would have made enough profits for the day by this one signal, and towards the end it's again given a buy signal. let's look at things on Bank Nifty with the same indicators, same settings. All right. It starts off the day by giving a buy signal. Then it tells sell over here. So people who would have bought over here, they could have booked profit over here. Then it again gives a buy signal over here. And then it gives a sell. So people who would have bought again over here could have sold over here. Right. And then after the sell, look at the fall. And this is called the sell in the very first candle itself. So unlike EMA defense scotch, where a lot of people tell me, it's a little late, but I've got used to it because I see it every day. So I know how to act on it. This is catching things in the very first candle itself. So that way it's quicker. All right. And then towards the end, you got a buy signal over here. A little bit of buying could have been done, but I suggest after 2:30, avoid trading because it's a little too volatile. So in my books, I generally avoid trading after 2:30. Do whatever you got to do before. My trades are generally avoided. I avoid the first hour, even though earlier I used to take a lot of trades in the first 1 hour itself, but lately I've been avoiding. And the fun part is that nowadays all the action is happening in the first 1 hour. But since I've burned my fingers trading very early on, I used to take trades even as soon as the market starts based on my intuition, which I've stopped now. Doing now because yes, at times you are right, but at times you are severely wrong as well. So it's better to wait for the first 1 hour is my view currently that I hold, and I try and take my trade after the first 1 hour is up. But any case, whether you are a first 1 hour trader, second 1 hour trader, does not matter. The indication over here is pretty accurate as long as you're following the indicator at the bottom and taking your trades based on that and having an overall picture of how the market is going. So this cloud is telling you that things are right now bullish, and within that we are trying to take trades. All right. And we are trying to take trades with the help of the QQE indicator at the bottom. If you see yesterday also, the trades it's given yesterday are pretty accurate. Buy signal over here. So people who could have bought over here could have sold over here. Then it again gives a buy signal over here, again sell. So this ride also it taken very accurate. As far as I can see, it's pretty accurate. It is even better on 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. There you get long kind of, what should I say? You will get signals which are intraday, not intraday. I mean, couple of days where you'll have to carry. So I would not suggest that in the beginning. You can probably do that after you have a lot of experience with these indicators. For starters, start with 5-minute time frame and then find a time frame that suits you the best. In my view, I've tried everything. I've tried 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, everything. And I've settled down on the 5-minute time frame. It works for me. So I tend to be on the 5-minute time frame on a general note. So that's why I illustrate all my demos also on the 5 minutes time frame. This will work on mid cap also. There it's giving you the mid cap kind of a scenario, a perfect sell signal at the right time. This will work on Fin Nifty also, perfect sell signal at the very right time. It's caught it in the first candle itself. It's caught it over here. You could have taken all this right down. All right. So try and use these indicators for people who are experimenting. See, all indicators that I explain on my channel generally are heading towards the same direction. It's just that some people like one visual representation, some people like something else. I'll give you an example. Super trend is a very good indicator. Somehow I can never gel with it. All right. I tend to work more with moving averages, and I like color changes happening. And somehow, for some reason, I've never been comfortable with super trend. But does that make super trend a bad indicator? Absolutely not. Super trend is a phenomenal indicator. I see the logic in it, but I don't like the visual representation of it. That's the thing. This indicator, the visual representation of this indicator, some will like, some will not like. But most of my videos, if you notice, they are on similar channels. They give similar kind of signals, maybe a little bit here and there. Some catch it a little early, some catch it a little late. So depends on what you like to see when you're trading. I like this representation that it's giving me right now. I think it's very simple. It's very uncluttered. these two indicators seem to be doing the job phenomenally well. There is no need for another indicator in this setup. It's as simple as that. These two indicators by themselves are very fulfilling. And the best part is we are not even making any changes. There's no customization. We have not changed any values on top and at the bottom. We have just made the colors a little darker at the bottom, and on top we have taken the buy and sell signal off. That's about it. But in terms of value, we have not changed the value on top, and we have not changed the value at down also. We are using all default settings, and they seem to work phenomenally well in the default settings. All right, so I think these two indicators pair pretty well for themselves. Give it a try. Paper trade for a couple of days, see how things go for you. Paper trade for at least 3 to 4 weeks and see how things go for you. I'm fairly confident that you will have a high win rate. All right, so on that note, I'll end this video. I'll leave the name of the indicator and the creator in the comment section and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding it. All right, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you in some form or the other. If it was, then kindly give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Share it with your family and friends. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below in all our videos. But I earnestly request you to like videos because that makes our channel grow. And take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck. Take care. Bye-bye.